Holy Stone HS360S drone review. 4K beast that flies 10,000 feet and ditches FAA drama. Feeling stuck and frustrated with your drone? You know the drill, excited to capture epic footage but end up tangled in complicated controls, spotty signals, and clunky gear that weighs you down. Maybe you've wasted hours fumbling with drones that feel like they're from another decade, or you get frustrated when your shots don't turn out sharp or smooth. It's the ultimate creativity blocker, sucking the joy out of flying. If you're an adult beginner looking for an easy, reliable drone that won't leave you hanging or frustrated, the Holy Stone HS360S might just be your new obsession. Deadlines are crushing you, and stress is mounting. You've got one shot to nail that perfect aerial video, but your old drone's battery dies mid-flight or it loses signal at the worst moment. Every missed opportunity piles up, making your creative goals feel impossible. Stress turns into burnout. Your motivation dips. The pressure of juggling tech failures while trying to capture stunning 4K shots? Yeah, it's brutal. When your drone isn't cutting it, you're not just losing time, you're losing passion. That's why you need a game changer that actually delivers on its promises and boosts your confidence, not drains it. Meet the Holy Stone HS360S, the ultimate drone hero. This foldable, featherlight 249 grams GPS drone slays with a blazing 4K UHD camera, capturing stunning 3,840 by 2160p footage with a Galaxy Core sensor that's no joke. No FAA registration needed, so no legal headaches, just pure flying freedom. With a 10,000 feet control range, 5G transmission, and smart GPS features like Follow Me and Auto Return Home, this drone practically flies itself. Whether you're a newbie or just done with drone drama, the HS360S delivers instant relief and a massive boost in flying and filming productivity. Why settle? The perks of the HS360S are next level. You get simplified, user-friendly controls, razor-sharp focus, and smart flight modes that make your shoots effortless. Tap once, and the drone handles time-lapse, spiral up, catapult, and more, letting you shoot cinematic magic without breaking a sweat. It's like having a professional filmmaker in your backpack. Want real-time streaming without Wi-Fi drama? The upgraded wired controller has you covered. Ready to fly smarter, capture better, and impress your friends? This drone is your secret weapon. Dive deeper to see why everyone's hyped about Holy Stone. Don't wait, because this drone is flying off shelves fast. Thousands of satisfied flyers have already switched to the HS360S for its unbeatable mix of power, ease, and epic image quality. Limited supply means hesitation costs you creativity and moments you can't rewind. Act now and join the crew capturing breathtaking aerial shots with zero hassle. Risk-free fun, incredible features, and a community that's all about sharing the skies. Why settle for less? Grab your Holy Stone HS360S today and unleash your inner aerial artist before it's gone.